Good afternoon and welcome to Cooking with You. Today we're going to make cucumber soup with a regional product, a cucumber. It's grown in the area by local farmers, and that's why I'll make a cucumber soup. And it has been invented by my father, so it will have some personal touches, of course. These are the ingredients: cucumbers, pepper, salt, an onion, pepper, crème fraîche, tomato extract, chicken broth, and water. Peel the cucumbers and cut them in half, like this. Then you take a spoon and take a bowl. And you take the cucumber and scrape out all the little seeds in the middle of the cucumber. And you do that with all 4 slices. Don't throw it away, the seeds of the cucumber, because it's only flavor and you would want to add it later to the soup. So you take this and you just let it rest like this for a while, so you can add this later to the soup because that's all flavor. Now, the seeds have been removed, so you again slice them in half. And then you start cutting them into little quarters. Every single one, same size. Just like that. For personal preference, you can also add a little pepper. But just make sure you remove all of the seeds, because the seeds is what makes the pepper the hottest thing. You don't necessarily have to remove all of the little seeds, just the majority of them. But the personal preference in this house, especially from my sisters, is not to make it too hot. And then you cut it into little pieces. Make sure to wash your hands after cutting the bell pepper, the pepper, because otherwise you will burn your nose. Heat a little bit of olive oil in a large pan, in a soup pan, and pour in the onion. Bake this for around 5 minutes, but keep on stirring it on, let's say, middle-high heat. When the onions have been baking for around 5 minutes and they start to turn a little brown, you can add the cucumber. With this, you add the salt and the pepper. And you turn off the heat. and do this for about 5 minutes. Nope. Add a little bit of tomato extract for a little sweet taste to the soup. And if you like it to be a little bit spicy, this is the point where you add the pepper. Just mix it in really good. And now it's time to add chicken broth. 2 cubes, that is good for 1 liter of water. Just crumble it above the pan. We have 2 cubes. This will provide the salt taste of the soup. Make sure you mix that in really good. Now it's time to add 1 liter of water. Take this to the cooking point and have it cooked for about 10 minutes, and after that you can add the creme fraiche. In the meantime, you can bake some bacon, if you would like it, on the side. Just bake it until it's really crispy. Just have it on the side for let's say 5 to 10 minutes until it's cooled down and crispy, and then you can crumble it over the soup, and it gives again a nice bite. Looking at the fact that there's always a lot of moisture coming out of the bacon, just get a paper towel and just try drying it up, turning and drying it up again, and in that way you can take it out, put it on there, and let it rest for about 5 minutes or 10 minutes, and in that way it will be crispy and actually bacon. Now it has been cooking for about 10 minutes, and now you will add the creme fraiche. This will give the soup a light creamy taste and a bit of a body. Now I will take a whisk and mix it with the soup. And mix it well. Now there is 250 milliliters of creme fraiche in the soup. And to finish with, we get an extract of the seeds of the cucumber, and it smells really fresh, and now we can add it to the soup. And this gives a fresh taste to the soup. Just make sure you blend it into the soup and heat it a little bit again. And now the soup is basically finished, and now the plating begins. Make sure you get all of the ingredients. With a little bit of bacon, it has been finished. And that's your cucumber soup from Almkerk, the Netherlands. Thank you.